Hi Ray, I have a quick job to brief in that's different to WPE member, but if I don't think it'll take too long, so I'll explain it now. This is a screenshot of my mobile, and I have I worked on this title here to have the so many characters and base the size on that, but I think I must have forgotten about this place because it's very long Agnes Water and 1770, which means that it's going right across the screen. Now, I don't really want to reduce the size of the text for all of the other pages to make this one fit. So I'm hoping that we can make it run over 2 lines. So I think that amount of space there is good. So in this case, it'd probably be Agnes Water, and then 1770 would be on a new line. And to do it, I would like everything to be center aligned. So Agnes Water would be up here, 1770 would be about here, and the perfect place to unwind would be under there. So it's all in the center. So same spacing in between this text and that text, but Agnes Water and 1770 will need to be on 2 lines. The spacing in between these two I would like fairly tight. So you can see my cursor maybe about that much in between the 2 lines. So to walk you through a few things, this is done in Slider Revolution. So where are we? So in Slider Revolution, clicking on Slider Revolution, and then in one of the title images, so Cardwell is one of the images at the top of the screen. If I go into attributes, the text for Cardwell has RS main text as its class, and the small town with big appeal, the smaller text is RS subtext as its class. So hopefully you'd be able to use those to globally adjust all of these sliders. Now I'm just going to go into, this is the main menu. Once you click on Slider Revolution on the left hand side, it brings up all of the sliders that I've built. Now there's lots of sliders, but there's 2 main types of slider. There is the image which is at the top of the page, introducing the whole area, but I also use Slider Revolution for each scenic gem going down the page. So these ones are different to this one. So Cardwell, perhaps so Early Beach will be the one that we're looking at, but there's also Slider Revolutions going all the way down the page. It shouldn't really matter to you because the CSS class only applies to this one, RS main text, and RS subtext only applies to the Slider Revolutions at the top of the page. So that's about it. Let me know if you've got any questions. Cheers. Thanks, Ray.